Hello everyone, again this is Tejal from Sunmal Software and today I'm going to explain you how to add service contracts. So let's start. Just click on Service Manager module, then open Service Contract submodule. Just go to this four dots. You will see multiple options over here. If you want to import or export contracts, then you can use these actions. If you want to print multiple contracts, then you can use batch print options. To create new contract, click on Add Contract option. Just add title. I'm adding AC installation. Search for the customer. Customer list will be available. Then select the customer. If you don't get this list, then please check out my previous video how to add customers. Select the customer. Then search for project. You will get the project list. If you don't get this list, then please check out my previous videos how to add project. Select it. Then add site. If you don't have the site list in this, then please add it through this add option. Then select the device. If you don't get this device list over here, then please check out my video how to add devices and assign it to customer. Just select assign to, then select expiry date, then add tentative time, then select duration, then select category, then select subcategory, status set as active, and just save that entry. Your contract will be created and you can easily view, edit and delete that contract through these actions. You can also perform multiple actions through this action. You can quick search your contract through this filter. And you can refresh it using this refresh button. This is how you can add your contracts. If you get any query to add contract, please get in contact with us at contact us@sunmosoftware.com. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.